Hey guys, we are here at, what am I saying? Okay. Hey guys, we are here in Columbia, Maryland at our kitchen reveal day. This was our last giveaway of 2021 and we are so excited to show you how this kitchen transformed.
We have 3 of our amazing sponsors with us today, Blake Hyatt, Dana Temple, and Edan. And actually our clients are pulling up right now, so let's bring them inside.
Yeah, let's do it.
Are you guys ready to go see your new kitchen? Yes, let's go take a look.
Oh. Wow, it's so big. It's open. The openness is going to be so great for just hosting, being able to be in the kitchen, and also seeing people that are here, not just being hidden away doing any cooking. Never had a microwave that just fits right into the countertop right here, can just pop right out. That's amazing.
I love the color scheme, how open it is, how much natural light we have, and it's just super, super functional. We can't wait to use it.
Yeah.